Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes candles. Melt soy or paraffin wax to the recommended temperature, then add dye and fragrance, stirring gently for an even mix. Secure wicks in silicone cupcake molds and pour slowly to avoid air pockets. Let the candles cool undisturbed for several hours before trimming wicks. Test burn one candle to check scent throw and burn quality, and adjust next batch as needed. Gather all materials at once so you can work smoothly. Wax, dye chips, fragrance oil, wicks, thermometer, and silicone cupcake molds. Set up a double boiler or wax melter and line your workspace with craft paper for easy cleanup. Pre-attach wicks to mold centers with a bit of melted wax or wick stickers to keep them secure. Heat wax to the recommended temperature, then cool slightly before adding dye and fragrance for best results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more crafting guides. Quick recommendation. I use the Oala water bottle when I craft because it keeps drinks cold and fits my cup holder, which saves spills during pouring. It's durable, has a secure lid, and makes long sessions easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work calmly and steadily when pouring to avoid spills and bubbles. Pour wax at the temperature recommended by your wax supplier, and pour slowly into each mold center to reduce trapped air. If your molds are deep, pour in stages and allow a skin to form between pores to minimize shrinkage. After the first cool, top off any sinkholes with a small second pour, then let candles cure fully before unmolding and trimming wicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.